Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the text shifting animations on CapCut PC. So in here, I've already imported a black background and also write the text. So you need to write the text vertically like this, word by word. And after that, adjust the line spacing of the sentence. I'm going to go with 2 or 3, and you can also change the font. I'm going to use this coffee soda font, and in here you need to also change the alignment into the left alignment, just like this. You can position the text. I'm going to go in here like this and then duplicate the text. So copy and paste, and on the second one in here you can just write the text that you're going to put on the left. I'm going to go in here, then you need to position the first layer of text to align with this text right here. So next, what you need to do is move the playhead in here to the 1 second marks, and then add a keyframe on the first text layer under the position option. So let's just scroll down and add a keyframe in here and move the playhead by 5 frames and add another keyframe, or you can just adjust the position. Just go like this to the second word, and don't forget to adjust the X position to be the same with the previous word, like this. Now you can just move the playhead again and move the word up. Don't forget to adjust the X position. And let's move to the last text. Just like this. Okay, you'll see that the text will be moving just like this. Okay, let's go slower. So if you want to go slower, you can just add some distance between the keyframes. Okay, so I've already adjusted the keyframes and put some distances in between the keyframes so it will go slow like this. Now you can just click on the first text layer and then create a compound clip. And now in here, click on the compound clip and go to mask. Go to video and mask, choose the rectangle here and adjust the size and also the position here at the first line, just like this. And after this, after you do the masking, you can just click on the second text layer and then change the color if you want to. I'm going to go with red. And this will be the final result for the text shifting animation. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.